Hello folks, welcome back for a practice session. Let's see how far we get. I'm going to start out with the 4 and 10 as a target when using the 5, 6, 5, 4. 5, 1, 4, pass the point. Ten, 4, 6. Same set, same target. Four, 1, 3. Very good. We're hitting the ends, so I flipped that. Four, 1, 3. Just don't give up, folks. Just keep on practicing. The result will come, okay? Same set. Ten, 6, 4. I usually try to hit the numbers 3 times. Keep pressing it, full press 3 times, and then collect. After that, take everything down and go back to table minimum. But sometimes it doesn't allow you to get that high. But I usually press it full press 3 times, and then on the 4th hit, collect, reduce the table minimum. 1, 1, 2. I like that. It's perfect landing. The dice stick to the table. Try to reduce the rebound. Six roll already. 8, 6, 2. Second row. 10, 5, 5. Look, crazy rebound on the dice over there. Okay, at least we're consistent. We're hitting the 4s and 10. 6, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6. That's 9 rolls so far. All right. Let's not push that SOR. We're going to change it and do the 4, 2, 2, 4. 6, 1, 5. Still too much rebound in that. Same set. 4, 2, 2, 4. Shoot for 6 and 8. 6, 1, 5. When you're able to shoot consistently, that's when you start putting the fear in the casino. But if you're all over the place, it's kind of tough. 4, 2, 2, 4 set. 6 and 8 is top target. 7 out. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, bro. Crapped out at 11. Okay. Very good on the 4 and 10 hit. I'll see you in the next episode.